So this is just a quick video to show you how to balance your throttle bodies on a Generation 1 Tuono, Mille, Falco, Caponord and Futura, and many more. So basically these are for 4 cylinders, but I'm only using these 2 here, front and back. Rubber hoses, and you connect the rubber hoses, one to this port here on this rear throttle body, and the other one, which is blatantly obvious, the other side, there's just one stub with a rubber connector sealing it up. So basically once you've done that, you then warm the bike up, have a look at what you're running at, and the idea is to balance them up with these 2 screws here so they're both exactly at the same pressure. And there's the other front screw there. There's been a lot of talk about how the balance should be different, so it should be more suction on the rear to draw in more air for the more fuel, but I've tried it that way and I found it a better balance having them equal, because it only sort of just takes on the first bit of throttle, and I'm having a little bit of a problem with this bike. I fitted extra exhausts on it, 2x2 Aprilia Evo system. It's got the SPK chip and it runs really well, and it has the correct map in it now. I've reset the throttle position sensor on the power commander eventually. Checked the throttle bodies, checked everything for leaks, but at 2,500 RPM, it's a lot better than what it was, but it was just, it's not a stumble, it's just like doesn't know where it is. So I just thought, because I've had the valve covers off, I've adjusted 2 of the inlet valves, I've had the throttle bodies off to do that job, I'm wondering if I've disturbed something. So we'll just fire it up and let's see what we're sucking at now, I should say. So as you can see, close, but a little bit out. So I'm going to adjust the front one. Temperature wise I'm at 60, so yeah, so I'm going to adjust the front one so it's similar to the rear, and hopefully that will help my balance. So bear with me. Now you can see this is the front one, this is the rear one. So if I now so pretty damn close. Bit of flutter on that one, not so much on that one. So I'm going to leave it that, and this is with the bike running at temperature, and I will then test drive it, see how smooth it is low down. But hopefully that sorted it. Thanks for watching, guys.